Nene kigima kubatikana no kwanyu kugwanera ko bokene kiwase amate yose ekenyoro hekyo ya Sierra 1 ime county ya Kisii nigo egosori area ya Scrabble yenyara ko bage ko ene kigwa asumo bogani oyo mohime ya omoche obosongo nonye nabo hegati abali banyara ko bakubwatanirwa amone egosori eyo nabo banyara ko bababwi nigo banyara ko bakwenanwa ebiegwa nigo bono ekegori egekekenya ko bage kuburi wakenya ko bage kweri kana gosanania amona egosori eyo ya Scrabble se abateneri abo igo banyara ko bawikirana se chigosori ya segosori banyara ko babako yatogia na goteba nigo yanyare ko bage kuigora amongo nabo yokwena libari bene anene ucha sekegori egeke banyara ko bagotwara obongo nabo igo chisemi chokonyara ko bakorengereria mono igoro yechinjira yigirengete obugima bwabo.
Lero ni no mogoko monene kiagera Scrabble Kenya nja twariva ko host tournament yega Kisii na ver no mogoko kiagera na rorira abana baitu bansire kumanya kigendera su mchezo uyu ono mchezo muya bwagosomia utari ko utabwati gukora igo etoko tebia baibulinga bagorera abana board ku mchezo uyu igo kubakonya sigesongo naende kubakonya kurwese bitu birebire
na rero igonde no mugoko monene ekiero mugusio itoko kwara arano yende is the national champion gotwara bragging rights for the next 30 days oyo no munyankongo kurgusi oyo gocheza as African championship nere training champion Eastern Central nere champion na Kenya igo ngotakira abaibuli baito mwensi mwaveta Gusii yaito Mchezo teyomeke na ende Mchezo teyomenene Mchezo buna Scrabble wina gakonyore million na ende gagotumio bongo osome bitabu osome sabu wake sabu orosia marieta onyora jibesejo igo nabana bali siko bali nyumba bono igo ngobatakana mubagorire body ya Scrabble bachese babundiswe abanyankongo mbarabo songo na Nyamira bako babundisa ende na barobu berwanire asogokina kwabo.
It's good to give you an idea of what this game is and what we mean when we talk about words. An adult English speaking person knows between 4,000 to 6,000 words. The Oxford Dictionary, the one that used in primary, has got 33,000 references. But the highest authority in English, we have two authorities. One from the Queen's side, if you are colonized by Britain, and that one is called Chambers. It has got about 120,000 words. And the other one is from North America, it's called Merriam-Webster. It also has got about 100,000 words. Now the two combined, not necessarily that all words are different, most words are the same. The two combined have got about 150,000 words. Now, your own Kenyan champion here, Alan Ombaso Ende, knows about 110,000 words. Remember, I said an adult person like you know between 4,000 to 6,000. Ombaso here knows between 110,000 words or thereabout. The world champion knows slightly above him. Now, I don't know how many words there are there in Kisii, but next time we come here, I want to see some children playing some Scrabble in Kisii.
I'm grateful for the great tournament that we've had here. We're looking forward to go to Sierra Leone in the next few weeks.